As you guys can tell, the sun's setting. Slowly though, so we have time. So this is the trail right where I am. We got a lot of, we don't got a huge amount of room. So I'm gonna have to maybe cut this, but just rake out a whole like circular area. Alright guys, if you can, this is the original area we had it. So you walk down, it's right here. But we're actually gonna change the plans and move it right there because it's a lot more flat there. If we are gonna camp around it, there's a way better area. And it's more in the open. Because right here, it's nice to a couple trees, so we don't have that much room. I don't know why I zoomed in. But we don't have that much room. We have plenty of sticks though, so we should be fine with that. If anything, the biggest problem is rocks. But that isn't necessary, it's just for safety. So let's get started making it. You guys will get a new view. That's no one's really seen back there. But you'll get this view of us working. Might be some music, might not. Let's get started. Yeah, not like right there. We're making that pile better. Alright, now we're gonna cut this. That's even though part of it's alive. These pieces right here. Almost all of them are dry. That's a big tree. Will be huge. Normal path now.
Yeah, now this is bringing back flashbacks. I made our fire pit in Fort Origin too.
Alright guys, now we have to cut the wood to make it firewood. We have the path done. It's a little more noticeable than the other ones. We have some of our rocks, not all of them. But now we gotta just cut the fire we have laying around from all of our trees. And yeah, we just gotta cut them. So you guys are gonna learn a pretty useful tip with me. So a lot of times you wanna conserve your energy or just not waste time and do work efficiently. You can always just like simply use your hands. That's a tough one. Just use your hands to snap it like that. And like that. Or, because if you can't snap with your hands like this, you should never go like that with your knees. Just think smarter. So whatever length you want to do, I'm going to go like this length. So you put that to the tree. Hold on, wrong side. And snap. And most of the time it works. I know I just said don't use my knee, but too bad. So most of the time, like shown here, it works. It's just a matter of how you do it. Alright guys, we got a decent pile of tinder and whatever you call it, normal firewood. So now, as you can see, there's plenty of wood behind the fort, which has been just kept there for a while. So we're gonna we're gonna cut those in half, and then immediately add it to the pile. Alright guys, we finished the rock wall. It looks a lot better than I thought it would, so that's a plus. Now we're just going to go get some gravel, just lightly layer it. You'll see that in the thumbnail, or you see it tonight in the fire. And then after that, we'll wait till we come out to get tinder, and then you'll just see some clips of the fire. Honestly, you guys might not even, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. This is the first type of video that we built, like a mini, something mini for the fort, and it's definitely a good one. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you on Instagram. Bye.